Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna, this is Veggie VSG. Today we're gonna do a massive grocery haul. I spent approximately $220, it was like $218 and some change. We never spend this much grocery shopping, but I stocked up on a lot of staples that we don't buy all the time. We buy it like once a month, once every couple months. So I'm going to walk you through all of it as fast as I possibly can, and we're gonna start in our second fridge. The fridge was left at the house when we bought it, so we utilize it for extra storage. Let's head outside. All right, the things we keep in here are extras. So I bought one coffee creamer. I bought, let's see, what else did I buy? All of this, oh, I bought a vegan sour cream. We don't buy this all the time, and we don't use it a lot, so we don't have to replenish it as often. I bought a huge thing of Uncrustables. These are really good for hiking. I bought a bag, where is it? I bought one, they're down here, but three bags of vegetables. I bought a huge bag of pizza. What are they called? Oh my God. Pizza bites. What are they called? I don't know. Tostino's pizza bites for Colin. That was like the mega bag, but I figured that's more economical than buying the little bag. Let's head inside. All right, so when I buy fruits and vegetables, I try to buy ones that are on sale and in season. So all of these are over here just because I'm gonna wash them right away, but I got 2 packages of strawberries. I got a thing of grape tomatoes. I'm gonna make like a pasta salad with that. I bought 1 cucumber for the pasta salad as well. I bought a huge container of blueberries to snack on, 5 jalapenos for $1. I got some nectarines that were on sale, got 2 things of green onions, and then I got 5 peppers. The green ones were cheaper, but we like orange and red, so I got 2 orange because they looked better, and then 3 green ones that are huge. And I'm probably actually going to freeze like half of this so that we have it in the freezer if we need it. All right, and then we have all of this. So we'll start with snacks over here. These chips were like buy one get one free. One was $1 or $1.99, so they were $1 each. I bought some chocolate chips so that I can bake. At home we're running low on chocolate chips, so I got 2 bags. I believe they were $1.99 each. We got this garlic dip from Trader Joe's. This is our favorite thing ever. This is it, folks. If you like garlic, this is it. I believe this is $2.99. It is on the pricier side, but it's one of the few things that we like thoroughly enjoy. So, and we get 2 so that we don't have to go back to Trader Joe's. I got a eggplant hummus. I believe this is $1.99. And then we have some peanut butter filled pretzel nuggets. I love these. We have 2 granola bar types from Fry's. Again, good for hiking. We have vegan cheddar squares that I got at Whole Foods, and then random, but some pepper jelly for our crackers. This is fruits and vegetables that I have not put away and don't need to be like washed right away. So I got a huge head of cauliflower. Cauliflower was on sale. We're gonna do buffalo cauliflower with this. We got a big bag of carrots, partially for the hummus, and then just for, we use like in stir fries, sushi, stuff like that. 2 large avocados. I believe these were $2.50 for both of them. We got 3 red and 3 yellow onions. I'm not sure how much they were, but they were pretty cheap. We got 5 huge sweet potatoes. They were 99 cents a pound. And then a head of iceberg lettuce. I think we're gonna do some like Thai beef lettuce wraps with that. And then pineapple was on sale, so I'm gonna cut that up and freeze it for smoothies. This is our little like dairy/dairy free section. I got string cheese for Colin. He expressed that he would like some string cheese, so I bought him that. This is new, I've never tried it. This is actually why I went to Whole Foods in the first place. This was definitely not on sale. This was a splurge, but I really wanted to try the new Miyoko's cheddar shreds and cheddar slices, so we have those. This, however, was on sale, and I actually like the Dia cheddar style slices. So I think this was $3.99, which if you're not a vegan, that probably sounds expensive, but that's pretty good for vegan cheese, especially if you like it. And then I got 2 unsweetened coconut milk boxes. This is kind of like canned and random. I got 2 shampoos at Trader Joe's. We have 2 cans of diced green chilies, 2 cans of whole chipotle peppers, 2 cans of enchilada sauce, 2 cans of manwich, 2 bags of taco seasoning, and a thing of Cajun seasoning because that was Colin's request as well. I am making sweet potato black bean enchiladas, hence the enchilada sauce. So that is just stocking up on some canned goods. We definitely stocked up on the vegan meat alternatives. Again, we do not do this all the time. This is probably a once every other month when they're on sale or if they're just a better price than they are here in town. The grocery stores here in town like to inflate the prices because we're kind of isolated. So when I do go out of town, I try to pick them up. So I got a extra firm tofu from Trader Joe's. This is my favorite tofu because it's there's less water, so it has a meatier texture when you cook it. We got 2 plant-based nuggets from Whole Foods and 1 plant-based patty. And then we got these Boca patties as well. We like these. Again, this is another splurge item. I just wanted to try them. And then we got crispy chicken and porkless bites. So I've had those before. Those are pretty good. Finally, this is like our grain section. We do a lot of grains in this house. So first I got 2 different types of tortillas. We've never had either, but these are handmade flour tortillas, and then these are, I'm guessing, not handmade. I don't know. They were both from Trader Joe's. They were decently priced, and we do plenty of stuff with tortillas. So I got Crescent Rolls. Not sure what I'm gonna do with them, but I love Crescent Rolls and they're vegan, so one of those. We got sourdough bread and wheat bread. We love to buy bread, and if we don't finish it, we always freeze it, and we always end up using the whole loaf, so I never feel bad about buying bread. Both of these were from Trader Joe's as well. And then pizza. We love doing homemade pizzas, and we love our pizza crusts that are easy, but we also love doing dough. And Trader Joe's had their dough on sale for $1.29 a bag, which is phenomenal. So I got 2 plain, 2 garlic and herb. The cool thing about raw pizza dough is you can actually freeze it. I've tried it with my mom before. It does work. So if we don't use these by their expiration date, I'm not even sure when that is. If we don't use these by the end of May, which I'm assuming we won't, I will just freeze them. As far as these pizza crusts go, these are actually good for like many, many months. So I buy these when I see them on sale. They're usually in a 2-pack. Yeah, all 3 of these are on a 2-pack. I like to buy them if they're like $3 to $4. I feel like that's a pretty good deal for 2 people to eat 2 pizzas. So I bought 1 and then 2 of the same pizza crust. So 6 pizzas total, like $3-ish a package. So yeah, this is everything that we got. I feel like we did get a lot of food and we stocked up on a lot of stuff, especially considering the amount of produce that we have here, the amount of like weird vegan stuff that's pretty expensive as it is. So yeah. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this short little video. Hope you found it interesting, and let me know what you think. Did I spend too much, too little? I'm sure the comments will be way too much, but like I said, this is not the usual for us. We actually usually like to spend like $300, like $200 to $300 for the whole month, and that's including toiletries, paper products, everything like that. So obviously times have been a little bit different with quarantine. We're stuck at home all day and we don't really have a going out budget, so I don't feel too bad about going a little bit over on today's food. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.